Hey boys and girls, I know it's been a minute, but I've got a new video for you. Let's do some dictation. We're going to practice our diphthongs OI and OY, and then we're also going to practice our OW, AW. Okay, so let's get busy. First sentence. The meeting point is going to be near the swings. Let's count that. The meeting point is going to be near the swings. Wow, that's 10 words, guys. All right, so we can do that one. We're going to start our sentence with a capital letter. The, T-H-E, meeting. That is meet plus ing. In this meet, we're going to use two E's and then add our ing. Meeting. The meeting point, choose that point, is going, go plus ing, going to be near. That was a sight word from last week. N-E-A-R. Near the swings. And the swings have swings. Swings. All right, let's go back and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The meeting point is going to be near the swings. All right, let's do our next sentence. Our next sentence is going to be, did you read any good books at school? Let's count it. Did you read any good books at school? 8 words. Did. We can sound that out, but we are going to start it with a capital letter. D. Id, did, you, sight word, Y-O-U. Did you read, R-E, E-A says E, D, read. Did you read any, A-N-Y, sight word, good, that has that sound, good, good. Books, that has that sound. Books, books. At, and school has that ool sound. Ool, school. Now we're supposed to have 8 words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And when I reread this sentence, did you read any good books at school? It is a question. Okay. Let's do one more sentence, but we'll try to make this one shorter. Okay? All right. The girls took their new pet home. Ready? Let's count it. The girls took their new pet home. 7 words. Capital letter at the beginning. The. Girls has that IR that says Girls. Girls. Took has that sound. Took. O says The girls took their, sight word, T-H-E-I-R, and we're going to use this there because it means that the girls own that. The girls took their new has the oo sound, pet home. Magic E makes the vowel long. We should have 7 words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's read it and make sure we have the correct punctuation mark. The girls took their new pet home. All right, good job, boys and girls. Now, this is what I want you to do. Go ahead and put a smiley face in the fourth house, and that way I know you listened to the whole video. Thank you.